Welcome to Khilji Facts, the true face of ancient Egyptian society. 1. Hierarchical system. Ancient Egyptian society had a hierarchical system with pharaohs at the top, followed by nobles and priests, then merchants and craftspeople, and finally farmers and laborers. This system was rigid and determined a person's status at birth. 2. Slavery. Slavery was a common practice in ancient Egypt, and most slaves were captured prisoners of war or criminals. They were used as laborers, domestic servants, or in farming. 3. Religion. Religion played a significant role in daily life. Egyptians believed in many gods and goddesses and had intricate religious rituals, including mummification and offerings to the gods. Temples and priests were also essential to the practice of religion. 4. Patriarchal society. Ancient Egyptian society was heavily patriarchal, with men holding most positions of power. However, there is evidence of women holding positions of power, such as the pharaoh Hatshepsut, who ruled for over 2 decades. 5. Importance of afterlife. Egyptians believed in an afterlife and placed great importance on preparing for it. This is evident in their elaborate burial practices, including mummification, tomb paintings, and the construction of monumental tombs and pyramids. Overall, ancient Egyptian society was complex and multi-layered. It was characterized by its rigid social structure, religious beliefs, and importance placed on the afterlife. Thanks for watching our YouTube Khilji Facts. Subscribe for more.